वेलकम टू द स्पेशल एपिसोड ऑफ प्रुडंट मीडिया. सध्या फेस्टिव्ह सीजन चालू असा आणि क्रिसमस म्हटले की सगळ्यांक स्टार्स स्वीट्स ह्यो गोष्टी याद जाता. तशेंच शॉपिंग सुद्दां आमकां खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. तर शॉपिंग रिलेटेड आमच्या गोंयकारां खातीर हांगा कितें कितें पणजेन ऑप्शन्स आसा ते आमी जाणा जावन घेवया. तर आमी आज आसा ओवीस शॉप हाज्या फुडल्या वटेन. तर ह्या शॉपान ओवीस शॉपान आमच्या क्रिसमस सिजना खातीर कितें कितें खास ऑफर्स आसा आनी कितें एसेसरीज आसा क्रिसमसा खातीर ते पळोवन घेवया. हाय, नाव वी आर एट द ओवीस शॉप. ह्या शॉपान कितें कितें वेगवेगळ्यो एसेसरीज आसा आनी कितें कितें क्रिसमस ऑफर्स आसा ते आमी ह्या ओनरा कडल्यान जाणून घेवया. आज आमचे बरोबर आसा ह्या शॉपाचे ओनर सोनिया नाईक देसाय. हाय सोनिया.
हॅलो.
म्हाका सांग, ह्या शॉपान तुमच्या कितें कितें क्रिसमसा खातीर ऑफर्स आसा? फॉर्मल ड्रेसीस, कॅज्युअल ड्रेसीस आनी एसेसरीज कितें कितें आसा सांगू शकता?
आमचे कडेन पयलीं म्हणल्यार सगळे वेस्टर्न एक्सक्लुझीव वेअर आसा. ड्रेसीस, फॉर्मल ड्रेसीस, वेस्टर्न टॉप्स, कॅज्युअल वेअर, we keep jeans, we have 1 gram gold jewelry, fashion jewelry. ऑफर म्हणजे क्रिसमसाक आतां आमचे कडेन ड्रेसांचेर बरे ऑफर्स आसा. वी आर एट अ व्हेरी गुड रिजनेबल प्रायस कंपेर्ड टू द अदर दिस थिंग ऑफ द सिटी. Okay, we have fashion jewelry. We have one more store at Kakulo Mall, same of 1 gram gold jewelry and all fashion exclusive jewelry. And आमचे कडेन जीन्स आसा, स्कर्ट्स आसा. So we have different varieties. We have kurtas, we have leggings. And okay, now we have good offers on kurtas. That is the Indian wear. आमचे कडेन फॅशन ज्वेलरींक डिफरंट आसा. वी हॅव नेक एक्सेसरीज सच एज लॉंग माळा म्हणटा त्यो आसा, मंगळसूत्र, चोकर सेट्स आसा. हय. आनी वी हॅव मंगळसूत्र, वी हॅव पेंडंट्स, वी हॅव इयरिंग्स, स्मॉल नेकलेसीस, बँगल्स. आर स्पेशलिटी इज मोस्टली ऑफ बँगल्स, इयरिंग्स. आनी आसा तरेकवार वेगळे वेगळे डिझायन्स आसा, बाजूबंद आनी चेन्स सगळे आसा.
ओके. आणि तुम्ही चोकर सेट हातूंतलो खंयचो म्हटलो? वो तो गोल्डन प्लेटेड.
गोल्डन प्लेटेड.
ओके ओके.
आनी आमचे कडेन हांगा वेस्टर्न वेअर आसा, कुर्ताज आसा, लेगिंग्स आसा. आनी हय, सगळे वेरायटीज आसा. वेस्टर्न एक्सक्लुझीव वेअर, टॉप्स, फॉर्मल टॉप्स बी सगळे आसा.
तर सोनिया म्हाका सांग तुमच्या ह्या शॉपान वर्सभराचो सेल कसो कितें आसा?
आमचो सेल बरो आसा. एक्चुअली आमी ह्या वर्साक खूब डिफरन्स पयला. बरो आसा सेल आमचो 1 ग्रामाचेरूय बरो आसा. स्पेशली कुर्ताज आमचे कुर्ताज खूब रिजनेबल प्रायसाक आसा. वरायटीज खूब आसा. आनी ओके नाव सिन्स ऑक्टोबर आमचे वेस्टर्न वेअरूय बरे गेला. आमी बरे वरायटीज दवरल्या. आनी वेस्टर्न वेअर आमकां आमचे कॅथलीक सगळे फॅमिली कडच्यान बरो रिस्पॉन्स आयला. सो येस आय हॅव मेड अ लॉट ऑफ कॅथलीक मिन्स क्रिसमस आमी खूब कवर अप केला स्पेशली फॉर ड्रेसीस वेस्टर्न वेअर. सो येस आय एम हॅपी विथ इट.
आनी तुमचे हांगा ओवीस स्पेशल अशें कितें आसा?
ओवीस स्पेशल अशें आमचे 1 ग्रॅम गोल्ड ज्वेलरी जे आमचे कडेन वरायटीज आसा. आनी हय आय बोस्ट मोस्टली ऑन माय 1 ग्रॅम गोल्ड ज्वेलरी एंड इवन द अदर थिंग्स विच आर.
सो सोनिया तुमचे विशीस आमच्या गोंयकारां खातीर फॉर दीस क्रिसमस?
आय वूड लायक टू वीश म्हणजे म्हजे सगळे गोंयकार कॅथलीक फॅमिली भावा भयणांक की अ व्हेरी हॅपी क्रिसमस एंड अ व्हेरी हॅपी न्यू इयर. सगल्यांक हो क्रिसमस बरो खुशी मोगान वचचो हीच म्हाजे आय वूड लायक टू वीश एवरीवन.
तर आता आमच्या बरोबर आसा जॉनिता. ते ह्या शॉपाचे डेली कस्टमर. सो ताच्याच कडल्यान कांय गजाली ह्या शॉपा बद्दल जाणून घेवया. तर जॉनिता म्हाका सांग की ह्या शॉपा बद्दल तुजो एक्सपिरियन्स कितें आतां पर्यंत?
हय हांव खूब शॉपांनी गेलां पयलीं सुद्दां बट म्हाका तितलें हांगा लायक जावंक नासलें. बट लास्ट टायम जस्ट 1 टायम येयलें म्हाका खूब आवड जाली ह्या शॉपाची. सो आतां परतून आयलां हांव क्रिसमसासाठी कितें घेवपाक. लास्ट टायम तेन्ना स्कर्ट घेतलेली सो ताणें खूब हें केलां यूज केल्या. सो आतां येयलां क्रिसमस कितें घेवपाक.
ओके तर जॉनिता म्हाका सांग जितल्या फावटी तूं ह्या शॉपान आज पर्यंत आयला तुका कशी ट्रिटमेंट मेळटा हांगा?
हय वेन एवर एंटर लायक बरी आसता तेंचे मिन्स रोखडी स्मायल दिता बरे भशेन विचारता खंयचे जाय वीच चॉयस एंड दीस एंड ऑल दॅट. इफ ना सुद्दां तर बरे भशेन सांगता हां तूं ट्रायल कर दीस एंड एवरीथींग.
तर आमी पळयलें की शॉपिंग रिलेटेड शॉप्स आमच्या खातीर कितें कितें पणजेन अवेलेबल आसात. सो आतां आमी आयल्या वॉक ओवर टोटली टॉयज. सो क्रिसमस म्हटलें की सँटाक्लॉज येता, सँटाक्लॉज म्हटलें की गिफ्ट्स येतात. सो पळोवया वॉक ओवरान आमच्या खातीर कसले कसले टॉयज आनी कितें दवरल्या क्रिसमस फॉर दीस क्रिसमस. सो आमी जाणून घेवया वॉक ओवरान कितें कितें अवेलेबल आसा. सो आमच्या म्हऱ्यान आसा आतां मॅम व्रिडा. मॅम म्हाका सांग तुमच्या शॉपान हांगा क्रिसमसा खातीर खास कितें कितें अवेलेबल आसा.
आमच्या शॉपान at walkover we have, I'll speak in English, at walkover we have everything what a child would want for Christmas, because children write letters to Santa and they come up with various things that they want, and walkover caters to everything, and it caters to children from very small, from babies right up to 15-20 years.
So what are the special items you have right now?
Yeah, like we have various types of, like for girls we have doll sets and board games, and for boys we have Hot Wheels and all electronic toys, books, soft toys, Transformers, name it, whatever the child wants we have. Like in Walkover we believe that we have to, whatever the child wants, we should cater to them, okay? And we have the widest and the best and the latest available at Walkover. So our USP is to have whatever best in terms of price and quality as far as the toys are concerned. And we also cater to babies. We have a baby store. So everything that the baby needs, right from a pin right up to the cots, we have everything for them.
सो मॅम म्हाका सांगात की इतली वर्सां जाली तुमचे हांगा आतां वॉक ओवर सामकें फामाद आसा. सो म्हाका सांगा की वॉट मेक्स पीपल टू कम हियर.
It's the trust that we have built over the years, because as you know, if you're a regular shopper with Walkover, we don't offer any discounts, not even a paise discount, because our rates are already discounted. We offer the best price and the best quality of toys, and it has always been the speciality of Walkover to cater to all segments, okay? And also customers trust the store, because when you leave the store you should go satisfied, because I believe that when you are satisfied with the service and with the quality of stuff that you get, you will always come back. And also I have a great team of my staff who really help out, because I also believe that service to the customer is very important. And as you can see, there's so much of crowd. In spite of that, my staff will really work hard to give the customer the best. We have the best gift wrapping available, which we don't charge for. So in spite of being very busy, we never refuse the customer, and we always send them very satisfied. And like even this year, because of demonetization, it was really tough to get very good Christmas wrapping, which we really had to struggle and get it for the customers, So service and quality stuff is what we always cater to. That's why we have customers coming again and again, because they really trust the store.
Ma'am, your wishes for this Christmas?
Yes, I would like to wish all my customers a very Merry Christmas. And I'm really very grateful to all my customers for really being very loyal to the store, because we are coming up with another floor. So next Christmas you'll have really a big space, large space, where you can be very comfortable. So comfort also will come with shopping in the next season. Yeah, and I look forward to all my customers coming again and again to the store, and I hope if I can be of any service, and if there is anything which is like missing, I would like my customers to give me a feedback so that we can always improve. Yeah.
Right now we have a customer. Hi, sir. What's your name?
My name is Asha Fernandez.
Since how long you have been shopping from this shop?
Well, I've been shopping ever since I was 7, and my first gift was bought by my aunt. It was a small radio controlled car, and that was my first gift, and I really enjoyed it. I still have it at home, and I really enjoyed that gift. And ever since that time, I have been coming to walkovers. The customer service is really nice, and the experience between the customer and even after we buy the product is very good. And I always do my Christmas shopping at Walkover.
And can you please tell me about the services?
Yeah, the service is very good. It needs to expand a little bit more. The shop is a bit congested, but I heard that they are renovating, so very soon we'll be having another shop, I suppose.
So, what do you like the most over here?
The most I like about here is that one thing I've learned over the years that many toy shops do not have so many products as compared to Walkover. And Walkover has many products, and you can have varieties like you have Barbies, Hot Wheels, you have the soft toys, and I really have a very wonderful experience. Like even when I come with my friends and they bring their kids over here, they literally have a very good time over here. So it's a very good experience for all of us.
So, your wishes for this Christmas?
Um, I wish that they have a bigger place.
Right now we have a customer, Kajal Singh. Ma'am, since how long you have been shopping from this shop?
This is my 5th year. I'm shopping here, and my son is 9 year old. I get whatever I want to.
And ma'am, what are your experiences like?
It's nice. I get everything I get in a range. If I want higher, lower, whatever range, I get it, and I think I'm a regular customer. For birthdays, whatever it is, birthdays or to gift. It's nice place.
Ma'am, can you please tell me about their services?
It's quite nice. They have they are very systematic. When you buy something, you have to take a bill, then go to some other place, and then if you want gift wrap, you can give it. It's nice.
Ma'am, your wishes for this Christmas?
Merry Christmas, and all. May the Santa give all children gifts from walkover, and may Jesus bless them.
तर आयच्या ह्या कार्यावळीन शॉपिंग रिलेटेड इतलेच आशिल्ले. अश्योच कांय कार्यावळी तुमच्या मुखार आमी घेवन येतली. तोपर्यंत पळयत रावात प्रुडंट.